now it's time for me to take a walk. So I'm going, actually this church is very close to the square. So it's one of the Catholic church here, guys. Okay, so now I'm going for a walk. Okay, so it's actually, I've been there. You can go in the area behind me, and then you can go this way. So this is going to the square. Let's take a look, guys. Nice. So we are in the square, guys. So that's the square, and there's a hotel here. And yeah, hi guys, so we are in Laganas, and it's what time now? It's 4:35 p.m. So lakad-lakad din tayo, guys, at my time. So this is one of the cocktails and drinks here. It's my off day today, guys. That's why we're here. So we're exploring the Laganas in the afternoon. Tulum. So there's a lot of bars here. Tulum bars. By the way, guys, we just went only here by bus from Zakynthos. Club, Love Club, and then here is what's this? It's like downtown. There's a lot of sports here. Amusement super games. There's one of the club here. Bar. Oh my god, guys, it's so hot. Laganas Bazaar. It's so hot, and it's 4:35 p.m. guys. I'm a bit hungry. I'm gonna look for a bar later. But I wanted to go in the beach. I'm going back. There's a cocktail supermarket Levanto, and then this is burger milkshake, and then big boys. I would like to go back in the beach. We're gonna go back. I'm gonna show you the beach here in Laganas, guys. It's only a short walk. Yeah, so basically this is only one long road. The shops are not yet open, the cocktail bars. They will be open later. I'm going to look for shops where I can have my lunch, because it's too late already for me for lunch. It's already 4:40 p.m. and I haven't taken my lunch yet, so I'm gonna go for lunch. There's a horses there. Horse, I mean, just horse. That's all I want. Kamikaze Cocktails Bar. Oh, there's also a Yasis Medical here. Wonderland every Saturday. Sitch Disco every day Monday. Every Fridays 9 to 11 Silent Disco Beach Party. They have beach party. This shop is quite busy. I guess it's McDonald's. Alright, so we're heading to the beach. I'm wondering this one whether it's going to Chilby.
I'm just gonna wear like that.
Hi guys, can you come in with us? We're going to the plaza to go
Course I am.
Yeah, coming out with us on Monday.
I would like to eat something Greek. We're almost at the beach, guys. Turtles party. Yes. It's really hot. This is the drink. Some souvenirs. Oh my god, I can see the beach, guys. I love Laganas. So there's a cafe here. And let's see the price of the food here. Pizza, meat. I want Greek pork gyros kebab. Pork souvlaki is 40, chicken souvlaki is 40. And seafood. Rolled octopus is 18. Closed squid is 40 with french fries and salad. Oh. Okay, I would like to have this one. And then for the salads, they have this chicken gratin, $9.50. There you go. I think I'm gonna have something like here in Seapoint Restaurant. we're going to have, guys, calamari, solid, with a smoothie. Just in front of the beach.